So, hello everyone. Today I am solving LeetCode POTD. The problem name is longest balanced substring 1, and I will explain the idea and solution. Okay, so let's read the problem statement. We are given a string. We need to find the length of the longest substring where all characters appear the same number of times. Okay, that means if the substring is if a substring has characters ABC, then frequency of A equals to frequency of B equals to frequency of C. Okay, all equal. That is called a balanced substring. Uh, like if substring is AABB, then frequency of A equals to frequency of B equals to 2. Then this is a balanced substring, balanced. Okay, and if substring is equals to AABBB, then frequency of A is not equals to frequency of B. So this is not balanced. Okay, that's clear. So now, and you know substring means what? Okay, so I hope you know substring concept. Now, how do we solve this problem? Okay, so first idea is a brute force, like brute force. Just try all possibilities, like take every substring and count every character's frequency, and if every if frequency of every character is equal, then it's balanced as substring. That's all. Okay, so what we can do, like we try to take every starting index I, then for every I, uh, try every ending try every ending index j, like uh, for starting index I, start I, ending j. Okay, so we check all substring by on check all substring with O of n square loop, like two classic loop, just brute force approach, like. Okay, so for every substring we must check, do all characters have same frequency? Okay, so we need to count frequency of all characters. For that, I will use unordered map or vector, like just array thing. Okay, then we will store character and its frequency. Like in substring AABB, uh, map will be A equals to 2, B equals to 2. Okay, if all frequencies are not equal, then substring is not balanced. Okay, now let's see code, like just this. Okay, so this is my code. Like first of all, I take just length of string and declare answer equals to 0. Okay, and I in this for loop, I is starting index, like starting index of substring of a substring. Okay, and in this loop, I have declared a map for storing frequency of all characters. Another map char int. Okay, and for loop j. Okay, j is ending index of the substring. So we expand substring from I to j, like from I to j substring, and then we just store frequency of character sj, mpsj plus plus. Okay, and we just compare all frequency in map, like if k dot second equals to mp of s of j is not equals to mp of s of j, then the frequency is different from mp of f s of j, then it's not balanced. So I just break and OK equals to false. If OK means it's balanced. If substring is balanced, then answer is just answer equals to maximum of answer and current and length of current substring. Okay. So just I stored a maximum length of substring, and at the end I will have maximum length of balanced substring. So that's all. Like uh, so in this outer loop, for I runs n times, and for each iteration of I, this inner loop runs n times. So overall, worst case time complexity is of n square, n raised to 2. No, sorry. Worst case time complexity is n cube, because n into for this also n, like for worst case. So this is just brute force approach, and yeah, we can optimize this code further. Like instead of checking full map every time, we can track maximum and minimum frequency just. And if maximum equals to minimum, then it's balanced. Like if maximum equals to minimum, then all all frequency between maximum and minimum are equal. Then substring is balanced. Or we can maintain frequency counter in better way, like not unordered map. We can just make array or and other things. But for today, it's just this, because understanding brute force is important. Optimization comes later. Okay. So this problem is about how to generate all substrings, how to use another map, how to check frequency condition and etc. So okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.